Bitcoin is right now dumping even lower as we did expect. But coming next week, I do expect we will be dumping even further because all of our momentum indicators still look like more downside is about to come. And also our funding rates are still positive. So this and more is definitely indicating that next week we will be dumping even further. So make sure to watch this video all the way through the end. Can we break a new record above the 50 likes? And without further ado, let's jump right into our analysis. Well, for the new people that are tuning in right here and are watching my channel for the first time, I want to be saying that we have been beautifully getting bearish at this point right here because of this bearish divergence and many more signals that we are going to be discussing in this update video. And of course, we have also been beautifully getting bullish at this point right here because at that point, well, we did get a lot of breakouts towards the upside. And while the markets have been very easily predictable over the past couple of weeks, but right now it really looks like, well, this dump is not yet finished. And if we do have a look into our support areas, we lost first of all this support area right here. Then next up we did get a little bit of support from of this level, which we did expect because it was confluencing with this support level right here, and it was also confluencing with our CME gap, which we have right now filled. So yeah, we did expect some support to come in from of this level, but in the end of the day, well, having a look into our momentum indicators right here and yesterday also our funding rate, well, it still looks like we have some more downside to go. So yeah, in the end of the day, we did break down below this support area right here as well, and right now we are on our way to go towards this orange support level. All right, and then also for our longer term, well, of course, we are getting this rejection right now from of our weekly candles, from of this major resistance where a lot of people were flipping bullish at this point, but we were simply saying a lot of the time, well, this is basically a massive bull trap. We were getting bearish at this point right here, and yes, indeed, this paid out very well. So right now, having a look into our 2-day candles, it is very easily to see where our next support is going to be at. Of course, we do have some massive support coming in from of this level right here, where we are currently almost trading at, and this is the same support level as we are currently seeing at the 4-hour candles right here. So from of this level, we really want to be getting cautious once again for our short positions, and we might be once again flipping it into long positions. But I'm going to be talking about exactly what signals we want to be seeing in order for us to once again flip bullish. Of course, because for the shorter term, well, we are looking very bearish right here. We are getting so many signals that we are going to be getting this further rejection coming into the market, which we are also going to be expecting right here. But do keep in mind, for the longer term, well, we are looking actually very bullish, and we are creating this parabolic trend towards the upside. We are still in a super trend indicator uptrend right here. Our EMA ribbons are still bullish. So from of this level, whenever we will be hitting these levels right here of our super trend indicator and our EMA ribbons on the 4-day time frame, well, from of that point, we are definitely going to be getting supported. And also, if we do have a look into our daily trend right here, it is right now currently flipping bearish. We are breaking down below our EMA ribbons and also below our super trend indicator, which is a very important thing to note. All right, so what I'm going to be expecting is a little bit further continuation towards the downside, but in the end of the day, we want to be getting cautious, and if we are going to be seeing these bullish signals appearing on the charts, well, then we want to be flipping in towards a long position. And the end of the dump might be nearing anytime soon, because on a 3-day time frame, we have been saying a very long time that we want to be seeing this 3-day MACD indicator flipping bearish, which we are right now seeing. And whenever it will be flipping bearish, which we are right now seeing, well, in the past times, you can be seeing whenever it flipped bearish, it indicated sort of a bottom right here for the short term for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, right now, because we are flipping bearish, we are nearing the Bitcoin bottom right here. All right, I do think a little bit more momentum towards the downside is still left right here. It is a little bit of a lagging indicator, as you guys know, and also because of the money flow index indicator is still not hardly getting any rejection right here. And also our RSI indicator may also even reject even further towards the downside. Well, I do think a little bit more downwards price action is still left in towards the market. And also on the daily time frame, our money flow indicator index is also currently not getting any rejection right here. And having a look into our funding rates, well, it is still positive, which means there are more longs than there are shorts in the market. And of course, as you guys know, the majority is most of the times wrong in the market, which means we need to be flushing out all of the long positions, which means we need to be going even further down. And whenever the funding rates will be flipping once again negative, well, that means there are more shorters in the market, and that means that we are getting close to our bottom. So that is very important to keep in mind. Whenever I want to be flipping bullish, I want to be seeing the funding rates being negative. I want to once again see this 3-day MACD indicator still being in the red zone. I want to be seeing support getting hit, either this orange support box or this green support box right here. And also one of the most important signals as well, I want to be seeing a bullish divergence being formed on the 4-hourly time frame. Just like we did see right here, we waited for this confirmation for this 4-hourly bearish divergence, and whenever we will be creating this bullish divergence right here on the price, well, then I'm going to be flipping bullish. All right, so these are my 4 confirmations that I want to be seeing in the market before flipping bullish. And until then, I'm still bearish into the market. I still think we will be dumping even lower towards this support area or towards this support area right here, this green box. So guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.